welcome to Crypto Coders. This is our C++ tutorial series, and in this video we will learn about arithmetic operators. So let's start. I'll create a new file t4.cpp and I'll write the basic structure. This is pretty basic stuff. We'll learn about the plus operator, minus, multiplication, division, and new operator you might be learning about is the mod operator. So I'll declare a few variables, num1 and num2 of int type. Let's initialize some values to these variables, num1 equal to 10 and num2 equals 5. Let's declare a few more variables which will store the result of the operations that we will perform on these variables. Sum, difference, product, division, and remainder. So our sum variable will contain the sum of these two numbers. Let's copy these and change the variable names and the operator. Sum, difference, product, so this is our mod operator. What mod operator does is that it divides the two numbers and give us the remainder that we get by dividing these two numbers. So now let's display all of this. I've actually written a code to display all of this and I'll just paste it here. Don't worry, I'll explain each and everything. So the first two lines will display the values that are stored initially in num1 and num2. And then we'll just display the sum by displaying the sum variable, difference, product, division, and our remainder. Let's run it. And here we have two numbers, 10 and 5. Their sum is 15. Difference is 5. Product is 50. We divide the two numbers, we get 2. And if we divide these two, 10 is perfectly divisible by 5. So we get 0 here. Let's make a small change by changing the initial value of num2 equal to 4 and see what difference that makes. Now we have num2 equal to 4. If we sum these two, we get 14, difference is 6, correct product is 40, and the division of these two numbers, we get a value equal to 2, and the remainder is 2, which is correct. Division, we see a little problem here that because 10 is not perfectly divisible by 4, we should be getting 2.5 here. But as you can see, we get 2. This is because our division variable is of int type. So we need to change that and make it float or double. So if we initialize this as float, let's run it again and see what happens. We again get 2. Why do you think that is? It's because the two numbers, num1 and 2, are of int type. So we need to change that as well. So you can either change the data type at the start. It will cause problem here at the mod where we apply mod. I'll show you. If we change the data type here, you'll see we are getting an error here. So we'll keep this same as int, but we'll typecast the two variables. Typecasting means that you can change the data type of a variable at any point. For example, if you want to change the data type at this point here of these two variables, you can typecast it into some other data type. So the way to do it is you write the new data type, float, and in brackets you can write num1, similarly float, and num2. So these num1 and num2 will be considered as float data type and it will operate correctly. Let's display it again and you can see that we have division variable equal to 2.5. So this was a pretty simple concept. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.